Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome to my review of the Dji Mini 2. I've had it about a month now, so I figured I'd share my thoughts on it. Before we get started though, give the video a thumbs up if you end up liking it, and make sure you click the subscribe button down below. So the Dji Mini 2 came out in November of 2020. It's got a 4K camera here on the front. On the back, you've got a USB-C port, memory card slot. My memory card is currently over on my MacBook, but if we open up the back here, you get a battery compartment on it. If you squeeze the bottom of the battery, it slides out pretty easily, just like that. And I believe it's a 2,300 milliamp hour battery, so that's pretty good. Flight time on this is about 31 minutes. Now, it's pretty cold here in upstate New York, and I've been getting about 29, 25, somewhere in that range minutes. The only downside to this drone that I can really find is that if you want to take the blades off, they're screwed in, so you have to have a screw. And I think it came with one in the box, but I can't remember. And then it also came with this convenient gimbal cover right here. So if we take that off, there's the 4K camera right there. I can't really get it to focus on that, but whatever. So the drone is phenomenal. I mean, flying in twilight, flying in low light. I'll throw a video example up on the screen right here. It looks phenomenal. Even flying at night, as long as there's like lighting on the thing that you're trying to take a video of, it comes out really good. There's sensors here on the bottom that help it avoid collision from below, but unlike other DJI drones, there's no obstacle avoidance in the front or the sides. Even flying into like direct sunlight, into really tricky lighting, it's not bad. It's not perfect, but it's really, really good in tricky lighting. I'll try to throw another video example up here while I'm talking. Yeah, range is crazy on this thing. Even flying in the city over lots of interference, I'm getting over a mile. And I'm sure if there was no interference, I could get like ridiculous, like 3-4 miles out of it. I have seen some YouTubers post videos where they've gotten tons of flight time out of it in like open desert or near like a big body of water. I don't have any of those near me. The terrain near me is really hilly and inconsistent. And I've only been getting about a mile. But again, I'm pretty sure that's due to the terrain around here. It's just a matter of fact. So now to fold the wings up on the drone, one little tip is to make sure when you're closing it that you do the backside first. So the backside folds down like that. The front wings then fold down. Now, when you're gonna put it away in storage, I like to tuck the wings over each other so that they don't flop around as much. I've seen some people that have had like wing clips for it. I haven't gotten one of those yet. I did find this really, really cool carrying case on Amazon for like 20 bucks, and the drone just sits down in it like that. I'll try to put a link down in the description to this case. Now the controller, these little joysticks, they unscrew and come off for easy storage and travel. Really like that. That's really cool. And you know, the joystick controller itself is just pretty easy to operate. It's really easy to fly. You know, this is your up and down over here, side to side. And this one controls the forward and back movement. Yeah, so really easy to operate. You got some function buttons up here, camera rotation. Now both of these devices charge over USB-C, so it's really awesome. I think I paid like $350 for the drone in total plus tax, and about like 35 bucks for a 128 gig memory card. So it's probably one of the more affordable drones out there. I know it's the most affordable, better drone from DJI. All right, so for the last little bit of this review of the Dji Mini 2, I figured I'd put in some clips of me flying it earlier today and some clips from the past that I've done. The area ahead of us in this drone shot here is like a water reservoir / retention pond type of thing. The drone is super responsive when you're flying it. It can fly very aggressively and very smoothly, like you can see here in this clip. It also has digital zoom, which to me feels like it's not the best. You have to have the best lighting conditions to make it look good. But here at this twilight shot, it wasn't bad. There's also some autonomous modes like this one right here. It's called a quick shot. This one is where it can circle an object you highlight. So yeah, flying here down the river in Binghamton, very smooth flight. This day was after a pretty big snowstorm, so not the best lighting conditions with all the white reflecting back, but it still looks good. Flying over a local golf course here, it looks really good. Overall, I'd highly recommend it. And yeah, that's it. So again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe down below. Thanks for tuning in.